The liver is like a body purifier. This is why you must know how to keep it healthy, because your overall health depends from the health of your liver. You should drink at least 2 liters of water a day, breathe deeply and be relaxed. Also, you should shower for 3 minutes with hot water. Then 30 seconds with cold water, because it maintains blood pressure and makes a little detoxification. Besides these tips, read carefully what food you should consume to keep your liver healthy the natural way. Lukewarm water with lemon, a great way to detox. This is supposed to become a routine every morning to drink a little lukewarm water with lemon. This is not a lemonade and therefore do not add sugar. Garlic, add a little garlic in your cooking, or shred a clove in the salad. Garlic is great because it activates liver enzymes and the liver's natural shield. Green tea, it cleans the liver from toxins, prevents congestion, and is fully functional with the liver. Avocado, the Japanese experts found that avocado contains a compound that protects the liver from damage. Parsley, you can add it in almost every meal. The parsley removes metals from the body and significantly facilitates the work of the liver. Yeah.